Hey, tonight I'm gonna make what you call the Mexican guacamole, okay? It's a picante guacamole. Since my family is not very fan of picante, we will make it very mild, okay? But first we're gonna soak the tomato in the cooking water, and then afterwards we're gonna soak it in the cold water and peel off the skin. We're gonna make a slit, okay, before we drop it on the cold water, okay? So it will be easy to peel off, okay? So, this is the cooking water. You see, it's smoking. And later, we're gonna throw the water out and then soak it in the cold water and peel off the skin. You see, the skin is peeling off, so they are ready to peel off, okay? So I will throw the water and put the cold water and start peeling off the skin. We'll be needing shallots. Usually Mexican guacamole, they use shallots, but I prefer to use white onion, okay? Should be fine sliced, okay? And also, I'll be needing, let's say, half of this, and I will peel off the skin and slice it very fine too. Now, you see, I peel off the skin, okay? And here is the skin, the peel, okay? You can use this to peel off the skin, okay? I'll just continue slicing this. Now, you see, it's already peeled up, and I slice it into small, but we're gonna remove this, okay? We will only get the meat, okay? And we will finely slice it. I already mixed the tomato, onion, and pepper, red pepper. Now, I'm gonna crush this, okay? Only one, and then mix it here. And then half of this, okay? A few drops, okay? You can use lemon if you like, to give a bit sour taste. And then we're gonna chop some coriander, fresh coriander. And we're gonna season it with the olive oil and the salt, okay? Now we're gonna add the coriander, okay? I chop it. I don't like so much, just a few, because it has a very strong taste and smells, okay? And also, you can use, Mexican use lemon, but I wanna use citroen. Okay. Okay. And also the oil of olive. There. And we're gonna dust it with the salt. And they call this the pico de gallo. Okay. And later I will show you how to make the avocado. Okay. Guacamole avocado. Okay. And we will serve the avocado with the tiger shrimps and this, the pico de gallo, okay? See you later. Before we cover it with the plastic and chill it in the fridge, we're gonna add the garlic, okay? Not too much garlic, okay? You taste it. Very nice, very nice. That is the pico de gallo, the pico de gallo, okay? Serve our guacamole, okay? Yeah, this is my avocado guacamole. It's there. There you are. I ran out of battery, my cameras. That's why. And there are my shrimps. Wait, I'm gonna transfer it here. Okay. So we're gonna arrange it here like that. Anyway, I'll make again the video the next time. Okay? So you can serve this to your family. Okay? And then okay. This called the PICO de Gallo, and this is a Mexican guacamole. Okay? I hope you enjoy my video. And thanks for watching. Then I'm gonna top it with the coriander. So that is. Thanks for watching.